Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to boom and zoom in War Thunder. This effective tactic leverages your aircraft's energy advantage to strike opponents. You will learn to use altitude and speed to your benefit, making swift attacks and disengaging safely. Mastering this technique allows you to control engagements, dictate the pace of combat, and significantly improve your combat effectiveness. It is a fundamental skill for many powerful aircraft. To execute the boom, first ensure you have a substantial altitude advantage, ideally several thousand feet above your target. Then, initiate a steep dive directly towards your enemy. This dive converts your potential energy, altitude, into kinetic energy speed, allowing you to reach very high speeds. Focus on lining up your shot during this rapid descent for a decisive, one-pass attack. Following your attack, the zoom phase is critical for survival and setting up your next strike. Immediately pull up into a steep climb, converting your high speed back into altitude. Do not engage in a turn fight. Your aircraft is not designed for it in this scenario. Climb back to a safe altitude, ideally above your target, to prepare for your next boom run, maintaining your energy advantage. For optimal boom and zoom success, always prioritize situational awareness. Keep an eye on the entire battlefield to avoid being surprised by other enemies. Select isolated targets or those already engaged with your teammates. Remember, aircraft like heavy fighters or interceptors with strong engines and good high-altitude performance excel at this. Never commit to a prolonged dogfight. Stick to your hit-and-run strategy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.